Hi, I'm Mim Atkinson from Great Ocean Properties, and this is 48 Bambra Road in Aireys Inlet. As you can see from the elevated position, this property boasts a simply stunning river valley view. This unique residence boasts beautiful timber-lined ceilings on the open plan living area on the upper level. There are also 3 generous bedrooms on this level with an ensuite to the master. One of the biggest draw cards of this property is the large undercover sun deck, just perfect for family gatherings or a lazy Sunday lunch. This property is definitely a haven to retreat to. If this property ticks the boxes for your beach house requirements, contact me, Mim Atkinson, or Marty Ma. We'd love to show you through.